Hello there, welcome to the AS Maths Pure June 2023 paper. Here we're looking at question 8, a regions question. So figure 3 shows a sketch of a curve C and a straight line L. Given that C has equation y equals f of x, where f of x is a quadratic, C cuts the x-axis at 0 and 6, and L cuts the y-axis at 60, and intersects C at a point 1080. Use inequalities to define the region R, shown as shaded in figure 3. So what we need to be able to answer this question is, what is the equation of that straight line? What is the equation of the quadratic? And then we can say it's below the straight line and above the quadratic. So I'm going to start off with the quadratic. We know that it has intercepts at 0 and 6. So I can say that the equation of the quadratic is going to be x minus 6, because that's what it would look like when it's factorized, but it could be some multiple of this as well. So I'm going to say it's a times x minus 6. And it also goes through 1080, so I know that when x is 10, y is 80, so 80 equals a times 10 times 10 minus 6. That's going to give us 10 minus 6 is 4, so 40a. So a is 2. So therefore, the equation of the quadratic is 2x brackets x minus 6. And we could expand that to make it look a bit more like a quadratic. 2x squared minus 6x. So there we are. That's the equation of the quadratic. Let's now work on the equation of the straight line. We first of all need to know its gradient and its y-intercept. We definitely know its y-intercept is 60, so we're just now looking for the gradient. The gradient is the difference in y divided by the difference in x. This is definitely a positive gradient, and the difference in y is from 80 to 60, so that's a difference of 20, over an x difference of 10. So the gradient there is 2. So therefore the equation is going to be y equals 2x, and we definitely know the y-intercept is 60, so 2x plus 60. So therefore, let's now use inequalities to define the region. So if we want it to be below the straight line, this is us starting us to write our final answer now. We want it to be below the straight line, so we have to say that y is less than or equal to 2x plus 60. It's definitely equal to because the lines are all solid. And on the quadratic, we want it to be above the quadratic, so we want the y values to be greater than our equation for our quadratic. Y is greater than 2x squared minus 6x. So there we are, that's the answer for this question 8 here, with a total of 5 marks. Let's now move on to question 9.